Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zakaria the Ghost. Guys, today let's talk about this road sign because it will appear more than once to your learner's test. And we all know that a learner's test, it's a numbers game. The more you get the correct answers is the more you are likely going to pass your learner's test. And the more you get answers wrong, you are going to fail. Imagine if this road sign appear more than once and you don't understand it, you don't know what it means. That means you're going to get two answers wrong, and we don't want to be there. First thing first, once you see this road sign, you must know that you must switch on your head lamps. You must switch on your head lamps. They will give you two questions to the learner's test. The first one is easier, but the second one is tricky. But I am going to talk to you about both questions so that things can be easier for you. And those who are busy studying, K53 or the road signs via, the app and online, make sure that you get the right app. Make sure that you get the right sign, because other countries, they have the same sign but with the different color. They have the same sign with the different color. The first question will be this way: what should be your reaction when you approach this road sign? You must switch headlights on. Then they will give you a second option and a third option. Remember, they give you three answers, but the right answer, you must switch your headlamps on. And the other answer that they will give you, they will say turn up your volume of your stereo, which is wrong. The other one will be drive at high speed, which is also wrong. The second one, where they say turn up the volume of your stereo, is wrong. Drive at high speed is wrong. You must always remember, once you see this sign, you must switch headlamps on. Now, the second question is a bit tricky, but you must get it right so that you can pass. It will be this way: where could you expect to find this road sign and how should you react? They will give you three options. The first option will be on roads with high accident collision zone. Switch on your vehicle's headlight, which is wrong. And the second option is the right one: in mountainous area before a tunnel. Switch the lights of your vehicle on. Once you see this, you need to know that you are about to approach a mountainous area and you must switch on your headlight so that you can see what is happening in the tunnel. Remember this: once you see this, remember the tunnel. It's easier to remember if you think about the tunnel, that I'm about to approach the tunnel, I must switch on my light. And the third option will be on a road that carry a large amount of traffic at night. Switch on your vehicle headlight. It's a wrong one. They're going to trick you. The right one is the second one. Thank you.